All right, welcome back. Brett here with clickmail.co. In this video, I want to go over the average sort of job expectations that an employer is going to expect when you're applying for a marketing project management position. So for those of you who are just getting started in marketing project management, this will give you an idea of the type of experience you're going to need to get a job like this. So with marketing project management, this is not an entry-level position. This is for someone who's very experienced, who has um, years of experience fulfilling various marketing services. And so like in the last video, when I was telling you some of my experience, it's in ads, it's in search engine optimization and technical SEO, in web development, in front-end coding, which I didn't mention that, but some front-end coding, conversion optimization. There's a number of different things I did before running a team. And this wasn't actually intentional, obviously, but we grew and then I had to run a team. But now that the team is here, I know what they're doing and I can help navigate the tasks that they're doing and tell them the best ways to do those things. And so for this reason, the average marketing management position is going to require about 3 to 4 years. It can be as high as even 5 years of experience fulfilling marketing roles, fulfilling marketing content, organizing marketing strategies for corporations, and 4 or 5 years of experience with client communication. Because the marketing project management, as I said, it's not an entry-level position. We have to be able to interface with clients, interface with the executive team, interface with the fulfillment team. That's a lot of communication and helping people to all make sure they all have what they need all of the time, make sure everybody's satisfied with how the project is performing. And then not only do we have to do that, we also have to make sure that the project itself is up to snuff. It's up to the goals set for the project. So, we have to make sure that the SEO and the web development and everybody is not only delivering the work properly, but also delivering it on time. So with that, 3 to 4 years experience doing marketing service, actually fulfilling marketing services, creating marketing strategies, keyword plans, what services are good for which clients, these types of things. What types of web pages are good for what types of needs and what types of pages do you link with an advertising account? What type of page do you link with a blog? Where do blogs point? Why do they link together the way that they do? All of these have to do with strategy, and all of those are vitally important to putting together a plan that is going to result the end client getting more leads. So we need years, we need 3 to 4 on average years of experience based on job descriptions for marketing project management. Now, further, you're going to need generally a bachelor's degree in a related field. So this could be business management, marketing, or communications. That's generally going to be what's required as well. Now, those are the big ones. There's obviously a lot of other sub points that may be required to become a marketing project manager, but one that's very common outside of the big two, which is, you're going to probably need the bachelor's degree. And secondly, you're probably going to need that 3 to 4 years of experience. That's really a big one. Lastly is certifications. So I've got a couple notes here on common organizations that do certifications. But for example, American Marketing Association, Professional Certified Marketers, and actually what a lot of marketing project managers will also have over the years of developing skills will be things like Google certifications, where they've been Google certified in Google Ads and Google certified in technical SEO and Google certified in front-end web development and all this other things. And so generally, product managers are going to have some kind of certifications under their belt to show that they have the technical expertise to guide a team of people who have to fulfill technical skills, technical development for SEO or web design or anything like that. So these are the big kind of 3 things that are going to be required for any marketing project management job. 3 to 4 years of experience, a bachelor's degree in a related field of study, and then probably some certifications. So with that, thank you so much for being with me in this course, in this video. And I'll just say the goal of this course and the related courses is to get you a large amount of experience very quickly, a large amount of education in these different fields that we kind of need to be broadly based in order to function in a project manager position. So that's where we're headed next. And in the next section here, we're going to get more into what a project manager is and how that role looks. So I'll look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much.